Take a ride in the 2018 X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV, slightly smaller than the X3. The X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, airbags, front knee, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.